Hey guys, this is Fundo on Rancho Parama. Coming up next on Skeem Saam this week, Monday, Clement's fairy tale love story continues to evolve into a horrible nightmare. Nothile reveals something to Lehasa that flips his entire world upside down. The Sekamelas are facing with yet another scandal. Tuesday, Clement's neighbors barge into the Sekamela home looking for him. Nothile and Lehasa contemplate place their future together. Sfiso gets some good news. Wednesday, Pomola wishes to handle the pregnancy issue in the correct manner, but Lehasa is not having it. John's intentions to do right by Kwaito does not bode well with Mickey. This day, Leeto has plans to skip town for good. Oriental proved that he will always be there for Clement. The Kwaito issue is still causing friction between John and Mickey. Friday, everyone freaks out when Leto identifies their suspected culprit in the failed Maputla supermarket is robbed. Mantuli has a heart-to-heart with her spine. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it and comment it and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.